안녕하세요. 스피코리안입니다. 오늘은 나온이나 공부해요. 어제 3시간이나 농구했어요. 나온이나 indicates that the number of amount is bigger than or greater than expected. So this is used to express a surprised reaction to something that is beyond what you typically occurs or is expected. The conjugation rule is very simple. And noun ends with a vowel. That means there's a no 받침 on the noun last syllable. You just take na after noun. So 세 개, three piece, 세 개나. 네 마리, for animals. 마리 is a counting unit for animals. So some animals, there are four. So 네 마리나. If noun ends with a consonant, that means noun's last syllable, there's a 받침 on the last syllable. In that case, you attach 이나. So 4명, 4 people, 4명이나. 세 그릇. 그릇 is a counting unit for the food bowl. So 세 그릇이나. 세 그릇이나. So it's very simple. Let's look example. 가방을 좋아해요. I love bags, right? So maybe someone is collecting bags. So 가방을 좋아해요. 가방이 how many 가방s are there? It's 10, right? So wow is a surprise. Or yeah, the speaker is expressing that there is more than usual or normal, right? So 가방을 좋아해요. 가방이 how many? 10 piece, 10개. So 10개나 있어요. 가방이 10개나 있어요. Then what's the difference between 가방이 10개 있어요 or and 가방이 10개나 있어요? 10개 있어요 just a simple statement that you have 10 bags, right? 가방이 10개 있어요. And if you say 10개나, then it has the meaning of like it's more than usual, right? This is kind of a little bit surprised. It's more than usual, more than normal. So 가방이 10개나 있어요. 집에 개가 dog. How many dogs are here? So 6, right? So 6 and then counting unit for animal 마리. So 집에 개가 6마리나 있어요. That implies I have more dogs than usual, normal. So 집에 개가 6마리나 있어요. 오늘 커피를 마셨어요. Not just one. I had 3 cups of coffee today, right? So it's more than normal, more than usual. 그러면 coffee in the cups counting unit 잔. So 하나, 둘, 셋 plus 잔. So 세 잔. 오늘 커피를 세 잔 and then 잔 해서 받침. So 세 잔이나 마셨어요. 오늘 커피를 세 잔이나 마셨어요. That excuse me, sentence implies you had more coffees than normal, right? 비행기를 기다렸어요, right? 그러면 gonna wait for airplane. Well, maybe at the airport, but the time shows 7시부터 9시까지. So for 2 hours, right? So this person is waiting for airplane for 2 hours, but that is more than expected, right? 그러면 2 hours in Korean, 2시간, hours, 시간, right? So 비행기를 2시간이나 기다렸어요. That implies the speaker says the speaker is waiting for the airplane more than he expected, right? So 비행기를 2시간이나 기다렸어요. So today we've talked about noun ina. So noun ina indicates that the number of amount is greater than or bigger than expected. Okay, great job. 여러분 수고하셨어요. 다음에 또 만나요.